A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about our next topic 1.4, representing real numbers on the number line through successive magnification. What is successive magnification? So let's take a look on ruler. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each and every centimeter is subdivided into 10 millimeters, right? 10 equal portions. So the decimal expansion up to 1 decimal place. What is 1 decimal place means? Here 1.2. 2 is the first decimal place. 1.21. Here 1 is the second decimal place. 1.215. So here 5 is the third decimal place. Next 1.2159. 9 is the fourth decimal place. So let us explore 1.2 value in our ruler. So let's take a number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 0. So 1.2 means each and every centimeter is subdivided into 10 equal portions, that is millimeters, 10 millimeters, right? So the 1.2 value is always in between 1 and 2. 1.2 value up to 1 decimal place, first decimal place is 2. So this value in between 1 and 2. So 1 means it is nothing but 1.0, right? 1.0. 2 means it is nothing but 2.0. Up to first decimal place, each and every centimeter is subdivided into 10 millimeters, right? 10 equal portions. So here is also 10 equal portions. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first value, first decimal place is here 1.0. This is 1.1. 1.1. Next one 1.2. And third one 1.3. Fourth one 1.4. Fifth one 1.5. 1.6. 1.7. 1.8. 1.9. Here our requirement is 1.2. Our question is 1.2. Find the 1.2 value on the number line. So the decimals up to first place is in between 1 and 2 is. Here 1 is nothing but 1.0. 2 is nothing but 2.0. So let's start 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. Here our 1.2 value on the number line is here. This is our result. So let us find up to second decimal place. Up to second decimal place. Here second decimal place is 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here our question is, let us find 1.21 value up to second decimal place. Second decimal place is here 1, right? So the value, the first decimal place is 1.2, right? So 1.2 value. The value 1.2 is in between 1 and 2, right? The value 1.2 up to first decimal place is in between 1 and 2. So Here 1 is nothing but 1.0. 2 is nothing but 2.0. So each and every centimeter is subdivided into 10 equal parts. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. Each and every portion is subdivided into 10 equal parts. So here our first decimal place 1.2 up to 1.2 is here. So 1.2 value is on the number line is here. So next our second place is 1.21. We have to find up to second decimal place. Here second decimal place value is 1. So the value 1.21 is in between. 1.21 is in between 1.2 and 1.3. So let us explore the values in between 1.2 and 1.3 up to second decimal place. Second decimal place. First one is 1.2. It is nothing but 1.20. Next one is 1.3 means 1.30. 1.20. Here 1.21. Here 1.22. Here 1.23. Here 1.24. 1.25. 1.26. 1.27. 1.28. 1.29. 1.30. 1.30. So here our question is 1.21. So 1.21, the value of 1.21 is here. This is our requirement. This is our result. This is the way we can find any decimal place value on the number line. Next our question is third decimal place. We have to find the decimal value 1.215 here up to 5. We have to find up to third place value. Here third place is 5. So here our next question is find 1.215 on the number line. Here third decimal place is 5. Here third decimal place is 5. We have to explore the number line up to 3 decimal places. We have to divide it into 10 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the first decimal place is 2, right? Here our first decimal place is 2. So 1.2, the value 1.2 is in between 1 and 2, right? The value 1.2 up to first decimal place is 2. 1.2, the value 1.2 is in between 1 and 2 on the number line. So here 1 is nothing but 1.0, right? So 1.0. 2 is nothing but 2.0. So each and every segment subdivided into 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1.0, 1.1, 1.8 and 1.9. Here our first place is 1.2 is here. Our second decimal place is 1. Here 1.2. Successor value is 1.3, right? So the value up to second decimal place 1.21 is in between 1.2 and 1.3, right? 1.2 and 1.3. We have to extend the values is in between 1.2 and 1.3 up to second decimal place. So 1.2 is nothing but 1.20 up to second decimal place. 1.3 is nothing but 1.30. So 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1.20, 1.21, 1.22, 1.28, 1.29, 1.21, 1.21 is here. So this third decimal value 1.215 is in between 1.210 and 1.22. So the value up to third decimal place is 1.215, right? Here third decimal place is 5. Third decimal place is occupied with 5. So this 5 value is in between 1.210 and 1.22. So up to third decimal place. So 1.21 is nothing but 1.210. 1.22 is nothing but 1.220. 1.210, 1.21, 1.21, 1.212, 1.218, 1.219, 1.215. 1.215 is here. So this is our final result. This is our final result. So this type of exploration, this type of visualization is called successive magnification. This type of decimal extension representing on the number line, this entire process is called, this visualization is called successive magnification. This is our definition. The process of visualization of presentation of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass. Through a magnifying glass as the process of successive magnification. So this is our first question from the textbook. Locate 2.776 on the number line. By using our ruler, we have to draw a line. So each and every line is subdivided into 10 equal parts. Each and every segment is subdivided into 10 equal parts. So the values are from 1 to 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here our requirement is 2.776, right? 2.776. So the value, the decimal place up to first decimal place is in between 2 and next value, that is 3 in our ruler. So 2.3 is in between 2 and 3, right? 2.8 is also 2 and 3, and similarly 4.8 is in between 4 and 5. 4.8 is here. So 6.5 is in between 6 and 7. So 6.5 is here. So 10.9. So 10 point value is in between 10 and 11. So 10.9 is here. Similarly 2.7, the value 2.7 is in between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. So this is the place. This is our magnifying glass. So the decimal values up to first place in between 2 and 3. So 2.7 is here, right? 2.7 is here, right? So second decimal place is 2.77, right? So the value 2.77 here, second decimal place is 7. This 7 is in between 2.70 to 2.80. So here this second decimal place is 7. This second decimal place is in between 2.70 and 2.80. 2.80. So this is the value. So here 2.77 is here, right? 2.77 is here. So this is the 2.77, right? So next our step is we have to explore the value 2.776 up to third decimal place mean. So here third decimal place is 6, right? We have to explore the values is in between 2.770 to 2.780. So let's put a magnifying glass in between 2.77 and 2.78. Let's take a number line. Here 2.77 is nothing but 2.770. 2.78 is nothing but 2.780. So 2.771. So 772. So 2.773. 2.774. 2.775. So our question is locate 2.776 on the number line. The place of 2.776 on the number line is here. This is the place of 2.776. So up to first decimal place 2.7 is here. Up to second decimal place 2.77 is here. Up to third decimal place 2.776 is here. So these are the magnifying lenses. These are the magnifying lenses. This entire process is called successive magnification. So next our question. This is the terminating decimal expansion, right? This is the terminating decimal expansion. Next our question is based on non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Visualize the representation of 3.58 bar on the number line through successive magnification up to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. So 3.5888. So draw a number line. So values are varies from 1 to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here our first decimal place is 3.5. So 3.5. So the value 3.5 in between 3.0 and 4.0, right? So let's put a magnifying glass in between 3 and 4, right? So 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4.0. So here our second place is 3.58. Second place is 8, right? So second place is 8. 3.58. So the value 3.58 is in between 3.50 to 3.60. So 3.50, 3.60. So let's up to second decimal place by using magnifying glass. .58, 3.59, 3.60. Let's put a magnifying glass is in between 3.580 and 3.590. 3.580 and 3.590. The third decimal place is 8. This value is in between 3.580 to 3.590. the decimals between 3.58 and 3.59. So up to third decimal place. So 3.580, 3.590, 3.587, 3.588, 3.589, 3.590. So these are the decimal values between 3.58 and 3.59. So fourth decimal place is 8. So 3.5888. So the value fourth decimal place is 8 is in between 3.5880 to 3.5890. So 3.5880 to 3.5890. So let's put a magnifying glass is in between 3.588 and 3.589. So take a line. 3.880, 3.5880, 3.5890, 587, 3.5888, 3.5889, 3.5890. So the location of 3.5888 is here. So 3.5888 is here. This is our final result. Okay. So exercise 1.3, these two problems depends upon our successive magnification method. So first question is visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. Second question, visualize 5.28 bar. So here bar on the two decimal places. Okay, so on the number line up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means 5.28282828 and so on. This is our variation, right? So up to 3 decimal places, the result is 5.282. Okay, my dear students, today's session is over. If you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you. Have a nice day.